Searching for a 2008 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle.
This vehicle has a solid and powerful engine.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, stability control, power mirrors.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.